Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you in case you have a Bosch brand oven and you're getting an E118 error and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it? So the E118 error, so also if you're having the E118 error, your oven is not going to be turning on. So the E118 error is an electronics error, an electricity error. It senses something wrong with the electricity coming into the oven. So all you need to do to get rid of this error is to figure out what's going on with the electricity that's coming into the thing. So you want to make sure, check how it's plugged in, check how it's connected to the electricity. If you're using an extension cord, you need to take it off the extension cord and plug it in directly because the extension cord might not be giving you enough juice. Or if you have to use an extension cord, you can use a more heavy-duty extension cord. Also, if it's on a circuit that has different things on it, you can troubleshoot that by making sure everything on the circuit is turned off, and then seeing if that gets rid of the error. And if that does, then you know what you need to do to fix it. You need to just get this on its own dedicated circuit, and then nothing like that can come and interfere with the proper operation of the oven. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.